Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled deep in the enchanted forest, there grew a magical pumpkin unlike any other. This pumpkin, named Lumina, possessed a shimmering, iridescent glow that captivated all who beheld it. Legend had it that whoever could solve the riddle of Lumina would be granted one wish, but the riddle was known only to the spirits of the forest. Many adventurers attempted to unravel the mystery of Lumina, but none succeeded. That is until one day, a humble baker named Jasper stumbled upon the pumpkin while foraging for ingredients. Intrigued by its radiance, Jasper sat beside Lumina and began to hum a soft melody. To his amazement, the pumpkin started to sway gently to the rhythm of his tune. Realizing that Lumina responded to music, Jasper played his flute, and the pumpkin danced gracefully, revealing a series of glowing symbols. With keen intuition, Jasper deciphered the symbols, unveiling the riddle of Lumina. He whispered the answer to the pumpkin, and in a burst of light, the magical pumpkin transformed into a magnificent carriage drawn by winged horses. Jasper's wish was to bring joy and prosperity to his village, and with the enchanted carriage, he traveled far and wide, spreading happiness wherever he went. And so, Lumina's mystery was solved, and its magic continued to bless the lives of all who encountered it, reminding them that sometimes, the greatest wonders are found in the most unexpected places.